Alright, Jason here from newtonswave.com, and in this short video I'm going to show you a really simple, easy tip that will make you loads and loads of money, right? This is something that isn't on YouTube. This is a tip that many of the pros don't want you to know about, and I'm about to share it with you. Honestly, you'll make 500, 1,000, 10,000, 50,000 quid hits in what I'm about to show you. Okay, so on the screen here, you can see TradingView. So you need TradingView to be able to do this, right? Now, on the right-hand side here, you will see that you are able to create lists, import lists. So you've got to create a list. This list that I've created is called Science List. And basically, it is every single coin on Binance. USDT. Now you need that. Now how do you do that? Well, at the bottom of the screen you can actually lift it up, right? You can go to Crypto Screener, and then let me just reset everything here. So go to Crypto Screener, and then you can see exchange here. Then you need to tick Binance Exchange. Job done. Then literally you just go to I start with volume basically. So if you do the volume button, it'll bring all the ones starting at the top, the greatest volume, to the lowest volume. Then I go into this little search bar here and I type in USDT. Job done. Okay, so then every single one on here, I go down, you click the right button on your mouse, and you see you can add it to a watch list. So create a watch list and go through them all and add them to your watch list. Now, when you've done that, it will look like something like this. You can see me scrolling up and down it. Now, what you then do, you've noticed you've got a symbol, you've got last, you've got change. Double tap the change. So there is the lowest ones, and here are the highest gainers, and this is where it gets beautiful now, right? You click the top one on the highest gainer. Now you can see here clearly, right? You can clearly see here that you've had these rises. You've had a big rise here and you've had a big rise there. Now the crypto pop at all different times. So what you do, you can see this crossbar that I've shaken around here. You put that slightly to the left of these breakouts here, and then what you do is you go slightly to the left, and then you just go down on your keyboard. Now have a look at, now watch this. I'm going down from the top one to the next one. Now you can see that to the right of this mouse here, we've had a couple of breakouts there, right? That's why it's 20% at the moment. So I'm going down a bit more. There you go, look, to the right of this, we've had a breakout. To the right, we've had a breakout. So you keep going down. So obviously this is starting at the top where the breakouts have been, but as you go down, right, to the 9 to 4%, the 1%, the minus percents, it means that they haven't broken out yet. So I made $500 yesterday just doing this, right? It's really fun. So here you go. Here's one, Pearl. It's on 5%. Now if we look at the ones above it, the ones above, in exactly the same time frame, exactly the same timeline where my where I've got this crossbar is, you can see that they haven't broken out yet. So that's one definitely, right, that you'd consider putting money on. Let's keep going. No, this hasn't broken out yet. This hasn't broken down. This hasn't broken out. This hasn't broken out. Look, you can see the ones that haven't broken out yet. So there's one that's broken out. So this is CBK. This is one I made $500 on yesterday. Let's go to the one above it. You can see this hasn't popped yet. You can see Newton's wave. This is Newton's wave right here, which helps you to predict. And you can see it's turning upwards now. There you go. It's turning up like so, right? So let me just put the crosshairs on here and come down. You can see there it's broken out. Here this one hasn't, because some lag behind, right? They're all in different phases. Okay, so let's go down again. See, this hasn't broken out either, right? And you can just keep going like this all day, finding these ones that haven't popped yet, right? And that, my friends, is $1 million tip that you won't find anywhere else, that I love giving people for free. So listen, I love trading. I love helping people make money trading. I love giving them free tips. I love making these videos. So listen, I wish you the best of success with your trading. Hope you make a lot of money from this tip. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon.